everybody. All right, we are going to be making some Valentines for our home decor. And what I did is I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought these different, they're supposed to be like sweeties. What do you call them? Not sweeties, conversation hearts. So I got to kind of clean this up. So what I did is I kept this intact, and hopefully this will wipe off. And then on the back, I painted all but this one. And I'm gonna do that right now. Whoop. So what I'm gonna do is just come in. You can see this, I'm sure. And paint it white, because I don't know if I'm going to use a napkin and decoupage onto this, or if I'm going to use scrapbook paper, or what I could do is use stickers. So I'm not sure, or I might do different on all of them. But what I want to do to the rim of the heart, I'll show you in a minute. I just want to get this done. Is I want to where is it? Which one did I do? Was it this one? Well, oh, here jeez. Okay, can you see where I did the lines to do the black and white check? So I'm going to black and white check all of them, but they may be different as far as this part. So I'm going to go over this one more time. And I think I'm going to put these in my kitchen. You know, this is a pretty good deal for $1.25, this wood. I don't think it's, because, I mean, it's a nice size. I just want the majority of the, I don't want the pink showing through, you know what I mean? Or whatever other color. So I'm going to go over the last one around the rim and then let it dry, because the paint I'm using, I don't have any more gesso, which I always like to base coat with gesso first before I do my paint. But I used a thick paint from Hobby Lobby, which is the Basics. It's more expensive, but it's a good paint. It's thicker than the bottled. So it takes a little bit longer for it to dry. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come back, I'm going to get my black paint, and then we'll paint these checks. Okay? So I'll be back. Okay. I am working on another heart craft. And remember when I had the cutie pies and the different little conversation hearts? I left this side the way it was, and then I painted this white because I'm either going to decoupage or put some kind of decor here, but up in here I'm going to do checks. So I've been working on other things that'll be on other videos. So I have out my parchment paper and my paint. So I thought I would come in with you guys and do these squares. I have probably 1, 2, 3 different DIYs I'm going to share with you, 3 or 4 for Valentine's, and then I'm going to go on to Easter. But I do want to do a few for Valentine's. I tried to make the pencil lines as faint as I could, but sometimes I do it so faint I can't see it. So I have this one done, it's wet. I just gotta, there's a couple little places here where I have to fix it and then we'll decide. So this is gonna be cute with the stripes. And here's that side. And then we'll decide what we're gonna do with this in just a couple. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do with this first heart is I'm going to take this piece of scrapbook paper and I'm going to go ahead and trace it . Okay. And I'm just going to use a glue stick to put this down. I'm not going to use Mod Podge. So that is going to be cute. When I get it all glued on, I'll bring you down. Isn't that cute with the stripes? I like that. And if you want, you can still do this. But I think that's really cute. So I'm gonna get a glue stick, glue it on, and then get another heart and decide what I want to do with it. Okay, so what I did is I just took the contact paper that I got from Dollar Tree, okay, and turned, well, first I traced this, and then I cut it out. And this is what we have. So we're gonna take, since it's contact paper, it's gonna stick, okay? Okay, so I took off the backing. That's so pretty. I really like this. I love this contact paper. Now you could embellish it if you want. I'm just leaving it. I'm just going to do stripes on these and do different tops. Different tops on these. And I am still finishing up my Dollar Tree hearts. So I'm just gonna get these checks done real quick. I've been doing so many crafts, getting basically everything I need done. It's hard to explain. When I'm making like a fake bake for the embellishments, I try to get that done before I film because it would just take too long for things to get done. I will show you one of each thing. I hope I don't know if I left one. But anyway, you'll see me doing the fake bakes. The fake bake itself, the embellishments I tried to get done ahead of time. Can you hear the frog outside? Jeez. If it's not Angie snoring, it's a frog. Good grief, that frog is loud. All right. This one's pretty decent. I might just show this side on this one. Okay, so I did them. I just painted them real quick. Just touching up here. My hands, I got, Anyway, there we go. So now I have all of them painted. Now I have to decide what I'm going to do with this.